In this video, we'll teach you how to get Walmart receipt online. I will show you both methods on your computer or on your application. I found this wonderful guide. You can also go to this website and search for this guide. So you just need to go to the walmart.com, then you need to log into your Walmart account, and once you will log in, you need to click the account button in the top right corner. As you can see on the picture right here, I will zoom it. Then this menu will scroll down and you need to choose purchase history. When you go to the purchase history, you need to find your order and then click on view details like this, and there you will find your receipt. You can also do this on your Walmart application using your mobile phone or tablet. You just need to open the app, log into your account, then you need to click the account in the bottom right corner. You need to look at the bottom menu and click on the account. Then you need to go to the purchase history from this menu. And finally, you will see your recent order or any order, guys. You will see the full list. After that, you need to click view details on your order, and then you need to click the receipt details. There you will see your receipt. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.